Nokia, a trusted phone manufacturer, is set to launch an impressive mid-budget 5G smartphone. If you're looking to buy a powerful yet affordable Nokia smartphone, there's great news for you. Nokia is about to launch an amazing device in a few days, featuring a brilliant 200-megapixel DSLR quality camera at a very competitive price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G smartphone. If you're interested in this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. In today's video, we'll cover all the leaked features, price, and launch date of this device. So let's start. Features of Nokia Play 2 Max 5G. Display. This magnificent smartphone comes with a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with a screen resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels. It boasts a 20:9 aspect ratio, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 399 ppi pixel density. Additionally, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Nokia has always been known for its excellent camera quality, and the Nokia Play 2 Max is no exception. This smartphone features a triple camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel secondary camera, and a 5-megapixel tertiary camera. For selfie lovers, it also includes a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. As a mid-range phone, the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G is equipped with a powerful, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and runs on the latest Android 15 operating system, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Battery backup. The smartphone is powered by a massive 7000 mAh battery, supported by a 90-watt fast charger, and a Type-C port, ensuring long-lasting battery life and quick charging. Price and launch date. The expected starting price of the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G is around $400. As for the launch date, no official information has been released yet, but it is expected to be unveiled soon.